what is brain fog? Yeah, what causes brain fog, that foggy feeling in the head, the difficulty to concentrate, etc. Now, there can be many different reasons for brain fog, but in these particular conditions, I believe that the brain fog is caused by an overstimulation of neural networks. And so that essentially means over anxiety, over worrying, too much stimulation, which is why when we have brain fog, we find it difficult to handle any further stimulation. And this can be too many neurotransmitters in the brain. And then once we've overstimulated, there aren't enough neurotransmitters. So the brain fog is actually a lack of serotonin, a lack of dopamine, a lack of noradrenaline. All of those types of neurotransmitters can mean that we get into brain fog, where we want to think and we want to be able to focus, but we can't because we've used up our neurotransmitters. And you might say, well, what can we do about brain fog? See, the brain fog is simply a downstream symptom of an overstimulated nervous system and immune system. So we focus on retraining the immune system and nervous system, and the brain fog will resolve itself automatically when there's not that overstimulation anymore.